Hello everyone, this is my review of the GRIP6 nylon belt. I got the 42-inch black one because I needed a new belt, and I found that the GRIP6 belt was different and unique, and I liked that it didn't have a traditional buckle, that the buckle was different. It's made out of metal. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out the box and take a look. And it seemed like it has some instructions here in the box so you can know how to use the belt or use the belt buckle. So that's pretty cool of them to send you instructions. But it looks pretty simple to put on and take off. But yeah, there's instructions there. Yeah, it's pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and try the belt on. And okay, let's take a look at the belt itself now. It's long. Nylon looks nice and sleek. And okay, let's try the belt on now. Okay, I got the belt on. It slid through the loops of my pants real easy, no binding. I'm putting on the buckle now, and it slips on pretty easy. Yeah, there's no struggle there. And it's pretty tight when it's fastened. So yeah, this is a pretty good buckle. I hope this review